In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop-down lists in fillable PDF forms using Acrobat Pro. If you've ever wondered how to make your forms more dynamic and user-friendly, adding drop-down menus is a fantastic way to do just that. This feature allows users to select from a predefined list of options, streamlining data entry and reducing errors. Let's get started by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your document is open, you'll want to navigate to the menu bar and select Tools. From there, find and click on Prepare Form. This action will enable you to add interactive elements to your PDF. Now, it's time to insert a drop-down field. In the Prepare Form toolbar, this is usually found on the right-hand side of your workspace. Look for the drop-down combo box icon. It resembles a small menu with an arrow. Once you've located it, click on the icon and position your cursor over the area in your PDF where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Simply click the spot and a new drop-down field will be generated. With your drop-down field now on the page, it's important to configure it. Start by right-clicking on the field and selecting Properties from the context menu that appears. Within the Properties dialog, navigate to the Options tab. Here you will see an item field. This is where you'll input the text for each choice that you want to include in your drop-down. Type in the name of the first option and click Add. Repeat this step for each subsequent choice you wish to offer. Additionally, you have the ability to rearrange these options using the up and down buttons found in the same tab. To take it a step further, checking the Sort Items box will automatically alphabetize your options. After setting up your drop-down options, navigate to the General tab in the Properties dialog to rename your field appropriately. This is particularly useful for ensuring that anyone editing the form later understands the purpose of each field. Don't forget to adjust the appearance of your drop-down to make it more visually appealing. In the Properties dialog, go to the Appearance tab. Here, you can customize the font size and color for the text in your drop-down, as well as the border and fill color for the menu itself. This customization helps fit the drop-down seamlessly into your document's design. The final step is to ensure everything is working correctly. Close the Prepare Form mode, then click on your drop-down field in the document. You should be able to see the list of options and select any of them to confirm functionality. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your PDF forms with drop-down menus, making them both professional and user-friendly.